Hello people, welcome to ByteMasters and welcome to our crash course C tutorial for beginner. In first and last video, we'll set up our environment for C programming. In today's video, we'll introduce ourselves with C programming language. Let's start. Here we can see introduction of C language. C is a general purpose programming language developed by Dennis Ritchie in the early 1970s. It's considered one of the foundational languages in computer science due to its efficiency and control over system resources. Here is our Dennis Ritchie, who was the inventor of C language. He's cute. Now let's know about the basic structure of C language. Here you can see a simple code. In first line of the code is header file. Hashtag include std.h. It's a header file. In second line, we can see int, integer. It means integer. It's a data type. And you can see a main function. Okay, it's a main function, and here is the curly braces, and here printf is library function, and here is a semicolon, and semicolon is mandatory for every C programmer. Now let's know what is the header file and what is the activity of header file. Here we can see std.h is a header file, and this header file used for taking input and printing output. We can see the first three letters of this header file std. It means standard, I means input, and o means output, and .h means header. Here we can see library function of std.h header file. Some of function here printf, scanf, getter, putter, and gets puts. As a beginner, we will use these two, printf and scanf function, because we are a beginner. If you want to take input in your C program, you have to use scanf function. And if you want to print your output, you can print your output by printf function. Now let's know what is data type. Here in second line, in first person, we can see here is type, integer type, and now let's know what is data type. Data type in C. Actually, in C program, many data types are here, but we will discuss about these three: integer type, floating point type, character type. Okay. In integer type, there are some variant of this integer type. Here, standard integer, short integer, long integer, and long integer. You guys can take a screenshot of this or note down on your paper. Now we can see here main function. Main function is a mandatory part of C language. Mind that C or C++ program has to be started from main function. Here is our main function. Without main function, we can't execute our C program. After any function, we must have to use this parenthesis. And the main thing is you have to write your code in curly braces here. Okay. The last portion is semicolon. You have to use semicolon in every line. We will learn in details of this header file, data type, or function in upcoming videos. In next video, we will learn in details about data type. Subscribe to ByteMasters and like the videos and click the bell icon. Bye bye.